How to fix unable to check for update iOS. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix unable to check for update iOS. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device. In Settings, scroll down and tap on General and then on VPN and Device Management. In here, make sure you do not have any public beta running on your iPhone. If your device has any public beta, then go ahead and remove the public beta. Also, in General again, tap on iPhone storage and make sure your device has enough storage space, and if not, then you can also go ahead and clear the cache on your device and also uninstall unused application on your device. In General again, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your Face ID or passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings. Nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now. Lastly, go back to Settings homepage and tap on Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. You can also tap on the info button beside the Wi-Fi you are connected to, and further tap on the Forgot This Network option and then tap on Forgot again and further join some other network. So, this is how you can fix unable to check for update iOS. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.